All verse rising, my soul family. Peace to the God stars and goddesses. Now, soul family, the European women in Louisiana, they know that if they were to ever compliment and date African, Caribbean, melanated men, their European slave owner relatives will disown them and not talk to them ever again if they found out that a European woman is complimenting and dating and sexing an African, Caribbean, melanated guy. This is the Fox, because Louisiana is located in the South region of USA. So you know it's a lot of racist dating. You know there's a lot of racist dating hate out there. We know this to be factual, man. Because look, I can guarantee you a proper African, Caribbean accent melanated guy that's dark skinned, for example, if he was to like try and compliment a European woman or want to date her, she gonna look at him like he's crazy. Because why? Because that European woman has been programmed since birth to hate on any men that do not look European. This is all Fox, yo. Like a European woman who grew up in Louisiana, like chances are she has been indoctrinated to hate African, Caribbean, melanated men. This is just how it is. This is just how it is in Louisiana. I don't even need to live in no city in Louisiana to know this. The research and interactions will show you. I can guarantee you, if a dark-skinned African, Caribbean, melanated man was to inbox a European woman who says like she lives in like somewhere like New Orleans, Louisiana, or Monroe, Louisiana, she's gonna unfriend this dude and block this guy just because he got a darker skin color, man. This is how evil a lot of European women are in Louisiana, man. And a lot of European women in Louisiana, they have this mindset that they think that they are better than everyone else just because their ethnic group is lighter skinned than everybody else, man. This is how a lot of these soulless vibrational European women in Louisiana be thinking, man. I'm telling you right now. I can tell you this. I'm 28 years of age, okay? So I've been around for quite a long time, and I never had, European women as friends on social media that grew up in Louisiana. So I know how they think. I know that they're racist. I know this, man. So it's not even worth the headache, and I'm gonna talk more deep on this stuff about why European females are not easier to date, not easier to hook up with. I'm gonna explain a lot of reasons in future videos about this, man. But it's very true. Like, if a European woman has grew up in Louisiana, right? She's been indoctrinated by her racist European relatives since the day of birth, growing up as a child to a preteen to a teenager into adulthood, to hate any man that's like African or Caribbean, man. It's freaking sick, yo. It's freaking sick, yo. That's all I got to tell you guys, man. Like, Louisiana is located in the South, man. Like, I can tell you this. Like, a dark-skinned melanated male has a better chance of being liked by European women who grew up in New York or grew up some places up north like Michigan. Way better than any chance of a dark-skinned melanated male, dating these European women in Louisiana, man. Like, Louisiana is just like any place in the South. It's very honky like. It's a honky ass redneck way of existence. And that's the reason why a lot of European women, they can see a melanated man that's like physically in shape and he takes care of his body and all this stuff. They can see that and they won't even compliment the guy, bro. They won't even compliment the guy, bruv. Like, it's so sad, yo. Like, just imagine to see a woman that won't give a guy credit because of his skin color. That's how sad the European women in Louisiana are, yo. Like, this is fucking atrocious, okay? But this is all I'm gonna say.